Hi everyone, I'm Jackie Mori, and I have a powerful word to share with you today. Today's word for the day is mastery. What does mastery mean anyway? Well, according to an online dictionary, it means comprehensive knowledge or skill in a subject or accomplishment. I want to ask, what are you mastering? What are you developing the skill and developing your skill in? Or what are you learning such that you're growing and incrementally every day, and maybe one or two skills that you want to be a master of? I want to encourage you to pursue mastery. Everyone can be a generalist, and everyone can easily be, good at many things. Maybe the jack of all trades, master of none. There's nothing wrong with that, but consider this. If you want to gain mastery, what do you need to do? Well, for me, I want to practice every day as much as possible. I would love to also be around people or be coached by people who are masters at things that I want to be good at. And so every day I work at being live on camera. Now I don't get to do it every single day, but often, every week, I definitely am on Facebook Live, and I'm also on Web TV. Even if I'm not on Facebook, I'm on Google Hangouts, doing my best to master, remember the word for the day, mastery, to master something, right? So share with me in the comments below, what are you mastering? What skill or skills would you like to master? I'm going to share in a link below this Facebook Live gentleman. His name is Jake Weidman, and he is a master penman. And he is the youngest master penman. Those who are the other master penmen are much, much older than Jake. And he became a master penman decades before these others became a master penman. So check him out. He's on YouTube, and check out his work, how he was able to develop mastery in being a penman. His work is incredible. I mean, he said, people like to see the finished product, but they don't remember or they don't think about the hours and hours that I was up till 4:30 in the morning struggling. So he struggled through so many different things. So check out masters, check out people that you want to model after. And then I want to hear what skills that you are wanting to become a master of. Okay? So become a master at something and develop the skill of mastery. And I hope to see you soon and connect with you. And I would love to encourage you in your journey towards mastery. Hi, Peggy. Hi, Devin. Hi, Sean. It's good to see you. Sean Allen says, hi, Jackie. You're a master mother. Oh, thank you. What an encouraging word for me today, Sean. And you, Sean, are a master firefighter. You're a master husband, and you're a master father. So those of you who are with me either live or on the replay, I want to encourage you, and I want to hear what you are mastering and what skills you're continuing to master. Because once you say, oh, I'm already a master at this, well, there's still more. Da Vinci was a master. Michelangelo, if you see his work at the Sistine Chapel, it's incredible. The hours and hours he must have spent mastering painting and being trained under his teachers, right? So make sure that you come under the teaching of somebody that you want to model after. Invest in yourself and invest in classes, invest in courses that will help you become legendary and help you to be a master at different skills that you are wired for and that you're gifted for. Thank you so much, Peggy. It's good to be with you, and hope to catch you again really soon. Thank you. Goodbye.